So if you look right down there, that is what's called a vacuum pump. This is the newer model, 6 liter. This is for the gas. I'm not sure about the diesels, but when that vacuum pump, that diaphragm right there goes out, that is what's causing that noise. Basically pedal assist to help you when you're braking. So I'll swap that out. We'll put the new one on and see what it sounds like. All right, everybody, the new one is in. I'm gonna crank it up here in a little bit and see if the noise went away. Stand by. All right, let's crank this baby up and see if that noise has gone away. Did the vacuum pump do it or no? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What? What? Yeah, don't let this shop scam y'all if they say, you know, there's a one behind the dash and there's one on the motor itself. In all my years of messing with these Isuzus from 2008 to 23s right now, I've always had to replace the one under the motor. The one under the cab on a gas engine. So that'll do her. Vacuum pump fix, brake back to normal. On to the next one, guys. Thank you.